Evrysdi presents Instructions for an SMA Treatment in Tablet Form. If you are starting treatment with Evrysdi, welcome. You're part of a large community of people who, together with our doctors, have chosen the only oral, non-invasive treatment option for SMA. Before we get started, I would like to review some important safety information with you. Now that we've gotten that covered, let's get started. Evrysdi comes in liquid and 5 mg tablet form. They are both strawberry flavored. This video covers the steps involved for taking the tablet only. Evrysdi is delivered directly to your door each month. A specialty pharmacy will work with you to schedule a delivery. The package you receive includes a bottle that holds a 30-day supply of your medication. Check the expiration date and the product for damage before use. Do not use the treatment if it is expired or damaged. When taking the tablet, you just need to take one per day to help treat SMA. Evrysdi tablets can be stored at room temperature, so you have more freedom in how and where you take them. It's important to keep the tablets in the bottle you receive them in. Evrysdi tablets are sensitive to moisture, and the bottle they arrive in is designed to keep them dry. Remember to tightly secure the cap after each use. There are 3 ways to take Evrysdi tablets. Let's get into those steps. You can swallow the tablet whole with water or as a liquid by mixing it in 1 teaspoon of room temperature bottled water. The tablet mixture can also be taken using a gastrostomy or nasogastric tube. Press down and twist the cap to open the bottle. Once open, remove 1 tablet from the bottle. If swallowing the tablet whole, use water to take your dose. Do not take Evrysdi with any other liquid besides water. H2O is the way to go. If mixing the tablet, the liquid you should be using is room temperature bottled water. Tap water has different chlorine levels than bottled water and is not recommended. You'll also need a small, clean, empty cup to get started. Pour 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of room temperature bottled water into your cup. Next, add a tablet and gently swirl the mixture in the cup. This can take up to 3 minutes. It's normal for the solution to look a little cloudy. Remember to keep the Evrysdi mixture out of direct sunlight. Drink the mixture right away. If it sits longer than 10 minutes, you'll need to throw it out and start over. To make sure you're also taking any leftover medication in the cup, add 1 more splash of room temp bottled water, at least 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. Gently swirl the cup once more and drink the remaining mixture right away. If taking the tablet mixture using a gastrostomy or nasogastric tube, follow these steps. The liquid you should be using is room temperature bottled water. Tap water has different chlorine levels than bottled water and is not recommended. You'll also need a small, clean, empty cup to get started. Pour 1 teaspoon or 5 milliliters of room temperature bottled water into your cup. Next, add a tablet and gently swirl the mixture in the cup. This can take up to 3 minutes. It's normal for the solution to look a little cloudy. Remember to keep the Evrysdi mixture out of direct sunlight. Place the dosing syringe tip in the cup and slowly pull the plunger to draw up all the mixture. Place the dosing syringe tip into the gastrostomy or nasogastric tube. Slowly push the plunger all the way down to take or give the full dose of Evrysdi in a gastrostomy or nasogastric tube. If it sits longer than 10 minutes, you'll need to throw it out and start over. Now check that there is no Evrysdi left in the dosing syringe. And to make sure you're also taking any leftover medication in the cup, add 1 more splash of room temperature bottled water, at least 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters. Gently swirl the cup once more. Then, place the dosing syringe into the cup and pull the plunger to draw up all the mixture. Flush the gastrostomy or nasogastric tube with the mixture immediately. Wash your hands and all the items used to give Evrysdi. Now you're ready to make Evrysdi part of your routine, just like me. My name is Jim. I'm a father and professional voiceover artist, and I've been taking Evrysdi since 2020. Now, just a few important notes before we say goodbye. These are important, people. Focus up. Your doctor, pharmacist, or nurse will show you how to prepare and take Evrysdi tablets. Always take Evrysdi tablets exactly as your healthcare provider tells you. Do not take or give this medicine until you have been shown how to properly prepare and take or give Evrysdi. Do not take an extra dose if you vomit at any time after taking Evrysdi. Store Evrysdi tablets at room temperature, 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Do not take or give Evrysdi if it has been exposed to temperatures above 86 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 degrees Celsius. Keep the bottle tightly closed in order to protect from moisture. Keep Evrysdi and all medications out of the sight and reach of children. Do not get the Evrysdi tablet mixture on your skin or in your eyes. If the Evrysdi tablet mixture gets on your skin, wash the area with soap and water. If the mixture gets in your eyes, rinse your eyes with water. If you spill the Evrysdi tablet mixture, dry the area with a dry paper towel and then clean with soap and water. Throw away the paper towel in the trash and wash your hands with soap and water. If you miss a dose, take it as soon as possible, but no more than 6 hours after the usual dosing time. If 6 hours have passed, just wait until the regularly scheduled time the next day. If you have questions about proper disposal, please visit the FDA Drug Disposal website. Looking for some additional help? Evrysdi Partnership and Access Liaisons are here. We call them PALs for short. And that's fitting because they've got your back on treatment questions and more. Your PAL can help you explore financial support, plan for travel with Evrysdi, point you in the right direction if you're not sure who to call, and connect you to useful resources. If you haven't connected with a PAL yet, you can find the name and contact information for your local PAL at evrysdi.com/PAL. Wrapping up with more important safety information,